Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and carrier readiness. Check your phone model now. If it lacks 5G radio, you cannot proceed. Once confirmed, verify your plan includes 5G and that your SIM is provisioned for 5G access. Make sure to install the latest OS and modem firmware updates, because radio updates enable new bands and stability. After updates, reboot the phone and keep the carrier settings prompt. Accept any network profile changes to allow 5G registration. Once done with updates, open mobile network settings and change preferred network mode to include 5G. Select 5G/4G/3G auto where available. If your phone shows separate SA or NSA options, enable the one your carrier supports. This affects latency and core features. For advanced control, use the engineering menu or a band locking tool to prioritize 5G N78, N41, or other regional bands. Make sure to save settings and reboot because the modem needs a fresh registration to the 5G cell. You finalize by validating 5G connectivity. Look for the 5G icon, confirm signal bars, and run a speed and latency test to ensure expected performance. If you do not see 5G, toggle airplane mode, reinsert the SIM, and force a network selection. This often triggers proper registration. If issues persist, collect your MA and modem logs, then contact the carrier to confirm 5G provisioning and band support. One key troubleshooting tip: try a firmware rollback only if carrier advises it, because mismatched radio builds can break registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.